Hi children, we are back with our chapter. Did you read the chapter 3 times that I said last class? Did you read? Okay, then last class we studied about some celestial bodies and things, but now we are going to study the new topic, that is solar system. So I think you all know about the solar system, but we are going to study detail about the solar system. Okay. So, what do you mean by solar system? We already know that, is it? What are the sun, 8 planets and satellites, some other celestial bodies which are known as asteroids and meteoroids. They are known as solar system. Understood? What do you mean by solar system? The sun is there and 8 planets and planets, satellites and other celestial bodies, some shining objects that's having name, that's known as asteroids and meteoroids. That all together we known as solar system. And in the solar system, sun is the superpower. That means sun is the head of the solar system. Clear? The solar family, sun is the head. Understood children? So this is the solar system and look at that, sun is the head. Sun is there, then all the 8 planets are there, some and its tiny objects are also there, stars are there, then in between that some other asteroids are also there, some other celestial bodies, asteroids and meteoroids. That all together we known as solar system. Clear children? And sun is the head of the solar system. Clear? Then sun meaning sun, always look at that, it is sun and all other 8 planets are also there. Clear? Now the next one is what is the importance of the sun? What is the importance of the sun? That is next one, center of the solar system. We already saw that. Clear? So sun is the center of the solar system and also it is made up of very hot gases. It is made up of hot gases. It is made up of very hot gases and also it is a source of heat and light. And it is 150 million kilometer away from the earth. Understood? It is 150 million kilometer away from the earth. So this is the importance of sun. We know that what is sun? Sun is the head of the solar family and it is the center of the solar system. It is made up of hot gases and also it is a source of heat and light. It is source of heat and light and it is 150 million kilometer away from our earth. Understood? Then next one is the planets. Which all planets are there? Look at the names of these planets. Which are the planets are there? Mercury is there, Venus, Earth is there, Mars, asteroids, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Clear? But Pluto is here. In 2006, some astronomers find out that Pluto is not a planet. So now Pluto is not considered as a planet. It is known as dwarf planet. It is simply known as dwarf planet. It's not a planet. So we can call them as some dwarf planet. Clear? Astronomers, you know that who are those who study about the sky and all the things. Those who study about all these things, they were known as astronomers. So they find out that Pluto was not a planet. Understood? So these are the 8 planets. For easy way, we know that these are the planets' name, but sometimes it is very hard to study all the names. So it is an easy way for studying all these planet names. Clear? That is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So take all the first letters and that connected with the names of the planets. So it is easy way. For example, M. My M. M stands for Mercury. Very V stands for Venus. Understood? Mercury like all others. V for Venus, E for Earth, mother, M for Mars, then J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. So it is an easy way for studying the names of the planet. My very efficient mother just served us what? Nuts. Clear? So these are the 8 planets name in short way. Take all these first letters. So it is an easy way for studying the solar family. Clear? And we know that the planets are, it is just getting heat and light from the sun. All these planets, they are not getting by themselves, they are getting heat and light from the sun. Understood? Yeah. And the first nearest planet is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet. Understood? Mercury is known as the nearest planet, and Venus and Earth, it look like same. So Venus is known as Earth twin. Earth twin because it look like Earth. Clear? So that is the meaning. That is all these planets. Clear? So we have 8 planets. These all are the planets. What are the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Understood? Then all are going a particular special path. All these 8 planets are moving. Look at these lines. All these are moving a particular path. Like our bus and car is going on, it always moves on road. Like railway track is there for going the railway and engine trains. So likewise, our planets are also moving a particular path. A road is there for. So that path is known as orbit. What is known as? It is known as orbit. The 8 planets move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are known as orbit, and it is elongated. Elongated means it's unusual. It is going. This go around between the go around the sun. So that is known as orbit. Clear? So what do you mean by orbit? It is an elongated path. It is go around the sun, and it is a particular path that move around in a fixed path. The planets are moving. That are known as orbit. And all the planets having different time, different days for this orbit, for completing this one revolution. For that, Mercury, it takes 88 days. Then Venus, it takes 255 days. Earth, it takes 365 days. Then Mars, 687 days. Then Jupiter, 11 years. Saturn, 29 years. Uranus, 84 years. Neptune, 164 years. Clear, children? So these are the orbital days of the planets. Understood? And Mercury is the nearest planet. Venus is known as the Earth twin because it looks like the Earth. Clear? Then next one. So these are the time orbit. Look at this blue color line. That blue color line of the planets are known as orbit. The first one. Then look at Mercury is here, Venus is here, Earth, then it is going Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, then Neptune. Clear, children? Then next one, we are going to study about what we mean by what is Earth. We already studied in the last year the continuation of that. We know that Earth. What is the shape of the Earth? It looks like geoid. That is, it is round shape and it is known as geoid. The shape of the Earth is known as geoid, and it is a unique planet. We know that Earth is a unique planet and it has land masses and also the water bodies, and where we have air all existing. So life supporting gas, air is existing in this Earth. So it is known as a unique planet. Why the Earth is known as unique planet? The supporting gas, our life supporting gases are existing in the Earth, and also 2/3 of the Earth is covered by water. Therefore, it is known as blue planet. because when two-thirds of the majority of the land area is covered with the water. So when we look upstairs sky, it looks blue color. So it is known as blue planet. Clear? So Earth shape is geoid and it is a unique planet. Two-thirds of the surface is covered by water and it is also known as the blue planet. Clear, children? So that's all for today. Let's we recap once again. The first one we studied about the solar system. What do you mean by solar system? 8 planets are there and altogether sun, altogether we known as solar system, and sun is the head of the family and sun is made up of very hot gases and it is having heat and light. Clear? Then next one is the planets. Planets are not, they are lighting up by the sun, and 8 planets are there and all the planets are moving in a fixed path, that's known as orbit, and orbital days are different for different planets. Then next one is the Earth. Earth shape is geoid, it's a unique planet, it's a blue planet and it's a two-thirds of the water area is covered by water. Clear, children? Then take the page number 3, there it is given the solar family, solar system and orbital pages is given here. Then mark the second page under the heading solar system, this one from the beginning onwards you mark it, then till the full paragraph you mark. Then next page, 4th page, full paragraph of the sun, under the heading sun, full paragraph, put the bracket and write their question, what is the importance of sun? Write here question, what is the importance of sun? What is the importance of the sun? So mark this, that is in the page number 4 under the heading the sun. What is the importance of the sun? Put the question mark and this is the answer. Clear? The next one, underline all the, next one, planets, underline all the planets name. Planets, all the planets name underline, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, all things you mark it. Then next below that the next paragraph, orbit, the first 3 lines mark it, first 3 lines. All the 8 planets move around the sun in a fixed path, that is known as orbit, and Mercury is nearest to the sun. Till there mark it. Then next one is the Earth. Full paragraph, that small paragraph full you mark and underline geoid shape. Geoid means earth like shape, that also underline. Geoid, what is the meaning of geoid? Geoid meaning earth like shape. So mark that. Clear? Children, read the chapter from the beginning, read the chapter 3 times. Okay children? Thank you.